What if I told you a single lightning bolt could toast 100,000 slices of bread? Sounds shocking, right? Before we zap into the details, smash that like button and subscribe for more electrifying facts. Now imagine the raw power of a lightning bolt, packing around 1 billion joules of energy. That's enough to toast 100,000 slices of bread. Picture this. A lightning bolt strikes, and in the blink of an eye, you've got a bakery's worth of toast. But wait, there's more. This immense energy, unleashed in mere milliseconds, is a natural wonder. So, do you think we could harness this force? Let us know in the comments below.